Hello everyone. Due to the Startup Exange program, we're really glad to have here today Miguel from Momit and Josephine from Korea. They've both taken place into a startup program that was between Madrid and Korea. And we're gonna face some questions now and see what are the main difference between both ecosystems. So first of all, Miguel, what do you recognize is the main difference in terms of cultures when it comes to the entrepreneurship ecosystem?
I think that one of the main differences is the support from the government for the entrepreneur programs. This is something amazing that's coming from South Korea. So they are investing a lot of money to develop these kind of programs. So it is something really different than here right now. That's something that we don't like, but it's on this way. And something that is also different, is a very good thing here in Spain, I think, is the involvement of the private company. I mean, so for example, Telefónica or some another company push their efforts in order to develop this kind of program. It's something that is not usual to see there in South Korea.
Korea is one of the countries that focus on technology development, and Korean government has been pushing organizations like large companies and also the administrations to support venture startups. So that's one of the great possibility that Korea will be one of the tech venture the home country. And another great thing is that we are working with participating in the venture accelerating program with wirth from Telefónica, and with this program we can benefit from a lot because there are so many great ecosystem and great programs that we can benefit from this program. So yes, that's very positive.
So we can all agree saying that the main difference between Korea and Spain in terms of entrepreneurship ecosystem might be the states of development. We can maybe say that Korea is in an early stage of development while we are a bit more developed in that sense.
Yeah, I think so. Yes, we are still in the early stage, but we are trying hard to make our venture startups to go abroad by promoting a lot of startup exchange programs between other countries like wirth. Yeah. Yes.
So do you think this Startup Exchange program was a good opportunity for you and your startup to come here and maybe do business and scale your business globally?
Definitely, yes. I had a very, very great experience meeting a lot of great entrepreneurs in Spain, also a lot of potential clients, and also the great programs it offered to us. It really helped us to gain a lot of insights about market in Spain.
So what about you, Miguel? What was the biggest intake that you've taken from this startup program? Your biggest advantage. What did you bring from there?
One very important thing talking about the difference again, it is that maybe we were in Pangyo Tech Valley, I think is exactly the name. It's amazing to see how they have all the infrastructure that they need from the first year. I mean, they have some amazing buildings with all the things that you are gonna need. They have a IoT inside the program. They have a IoT lab that is something crazy, something amazing for all the companies that we are working on in the Internet of Things. But anyway, talking about business development, we had the opportunity to have some meetings with some of the large enterprises in South Korea, like Samsung. We were with Samsung, we were with LG, we were with KT, who is the partner for Telefónica in this program, and also another companies like GS Const. So this program, it was very interesting for us because we had the opportunity to close our first agreement. Yes, we have a distributor for our products in South Korea, so it was very, very useful for us to be there and to have the first meeting with them and to close this agreement that is something amazing for us. So now I invite to all the Korean people to visit our website www.momit.com because now it is in Korean language too, because our products are going to be sold there. So it's something really interesting.
So congratulations from that deal. Josephine, just to finish with this interview, maybe what was your your biggest fear when you had to come all the way to Spain, and what was your barrier to when it comes to like facing a new ecosystem?
Well, first of all, I don't speak Spanish, but still, I don't know the local culture of the people in Spain. That was one of the fear I had. But once I arrived here and then spending all this times with great startup entrepreneurs from Spain, and also meeting a lot of great people from Telefónica, and also meeting a lot of great customers and clients. I think the language is just not really a barrier here. I think people have one common goal of, doing a business, growing business, having a great business opportunity is one of the common goals that we all have. So I think, we really look forward to having a great business opportunities in Spain.
So Miguel, why South Korea was attractive for you on your startup?
So this is because right now we are launching a new product. It is Momit Cool. It's a device to have the remote management for air conditioner system. And thinking about this kind of technology, Southeast of Asia and also for South Korea are the main market for this new product. Talking about the temperature, the humidity, they need to live with air conditioner system. So they are, for example, South Korea is a really amazing country. Talking about technology, you have companies like Samsung, LG, so everything is amazing talking about this. And people is really loves the new tech that are going on. So South Korea for us is the first country where we are going to sell the product, but now we have also agreements in Japan, in Thailand, in Singapore. So this new market for us is going to be for sure the main market for our project and our company.
That's great. And for you, Josephine, what is how did you find Spain and not Germany, for example? Like, why did you choose coming to Spain and trying to broaden your startup?
Actually, when I went to Mobile World Congress in Barcelona in February, I was part of the Korea Telecom's Startup Accelerating program called the GCCEI. And then during that event, I met Telefónica and Weira. And we were recommended by GCCEI to participate in the Startup Exchange program because Telefónica Weira has a great startup accelerating program that will definitely help us to grow our business in Spain, which is one of the best countries in the world that focus on technology and smart home ecosystem.
If your product is your startup is going to be not just for Europe or not just for Spain. I mean, if you want to sail outside, you have to be there. So this program is an amazing opportunity to travel, to have face-to-face meeting with your contacts, your distributor or whatever, and it's an amazing opportunity too to meet some large enterprises, as I said before, like Samsung or LG. So that's a very, very good opportunity.
So thank you very much for being here with us today. I really hope you enjoyed the interview. And hopefully see you next time.